To summarize, you can see the MX series has a 8-inch infotainment, a 7-inch cluster, Android Auto, smart door handles, LED tail lamps, steering mounted switches, power adjust ORVMs and R17 steel wheels. We want to announce now the price of the MX manual 5-seater in gasoline. And 11.99 lakhs will be the manual 5-seater gasoline. We believe this is a price designed to explode this category. It's going to completely open up the entire universe for us to play in. And we also have the price of the MX diesel manual series, which is 12.49 lakhs. These are two really strong price points. We believe it allows us now to play in the mainstream, and that's with the MX series. But this product is an opportunity to also reposition us from a technology point of view, and that's where the AdrenoX AX series comes in. So let's take a look at the video of what AX3 has. Here are some of the top features of the AX3 over the MX. Clearly you can see the infotainment screen is best in class, 10.25 plus a digital cluster of 10.25, path braking, Amazon Alexa built-in, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, AdrenoX Connect with the 60 plus apps where we just spoke about, 6 speakers, sound staging, and the LED DRL and the front fog lamps. So that's a lot on offer with the AdrenoX, and we believe that this is technology that we have to make accessible. We don't want to offer all of these technologies and have very few people get to experience it. So we're going to give the AdrenoX gasoline 5-seater manual, which is the starting point of the AdrenoX series, at a price of 30.99 lakhs. So again, this kind of technology at 13.99 lakhs completely will make us mainstream path-breaking technologies at this price point. Let's take a look at the AX5 video, and that's the last one I'm doing. The rest will get unveiled with time. Some key features, the most exciting is the sky roof. You will experience it and enjoy it tomorrow as you drive. The R17 diamond cut alloy wheels, curtain airbags, LED clear view headlamps, sequential turn indicators and cornering lamps. So a very strong package with the AdrenoX series AX5. Let's take a look at what that price is. That comes to you at 14.99 lakhs. So we are really setting up today to say the first lot of price reveals, starting from 11.99 as the MX gasoline 5-seater manual, going up to 14.99 on the AdrenoX AX5 series. More as we go along. Let's take a look at the product.